guys know from the thumbnail, I was able to pick up the Adidas, let me correct myself, Adidas. I was able to get the Adidas Adilette 22 slides. The only colorway that released when I went to purchase was the Magic Lime and Desert Sand, which was the pair that I picked up from Adidas. But I know yesterday, which is the 10th, I believe, June 10th was yesterday, they released the other two pairs and I wasn't able to pick them up, which makes me kind of sad. But when they do re-release, I'll be sure to, you know, try to pick them up if I like this pair that much, because the tan ones, I got my eyes on those. So I got my pair in a size 6. And if you hear snoring in the background, that's DJ. She's just had to take a nap while I was filming. But yeah, so I got a size 6. I usually get my slides in a size 6 or 6.5, so hopefully they fit. I'm not sure if they run big, they run small, I don't know, because there wasn't many videos that were released when I actually purchased them. So I just, you know, I just went with the vibes and tried to find my size. So it comes with this like hanger thing in the box, so they're wrapped up. So I'm super excited. Like, I needed a new pair of slides, so these should be pretty dope. Take them out the wrapper. So these are what the slides look like fresh out of the box. Ooh, baby, when I tell you these slides are light as a feather, I'm in love. Like, I'm already in love with these because they're super light, and I like that. Like, sometimes when you get slides, they're big and clunky, but these, they feel like nothing really is in my hand. But retail price for these are $55, so you know, it's not too pricey, it's not too expensive. Yeezys are going for what, $70, $80, so these are, you know, not bad, not bad. I love the design. Like, it just reminds me of like the desert, like when the wind blows and the sand starts like forming its own like little paths and circles and things like that. I just love the design on the side. And also on the side it says the brand with the 3 stripes, which is Adidas. They look super like big in the in the toe area, so I'm sure if you do have like wider feet, then you wouldn't have a problem like wearing these. They're not, you know, very narrow, so it's very much so wide foot friendly. I just love the way these look. They look super comfortable and they're lightweight. Like, it feels like nothing. Like, I usually wear my Nike slides and they're not super light, but they're not super heavy either. They're kind of in the middle, so hopefully these are a very much lighter version, because I love wearing slides during the summertime. But this is what it looks like. This colorway, in the pictures I thought I wouldn't like it, but I actually dig this colorway. It's not a lime green, but not like a green. It's like kind of in the middle, which I think is fire. So you could throw this on with some sweats, some shorts, like jean shorts, plain top. You could wear this with anything pretty much. But these are what they look like. Super stoked that I was able to actually grab a pair. See, but these are what they look like. So you guys stick around. I'm definitely going to do an on foot with these babies, so here we go. So trying these slides on for the first time, they definitely are super comfortable. Like, Adidas, they definitely did their thing with these being a very comfortable and a very light slide. I like that about these. The width of the slide is perfect for me. The size 6 fits me great, but it's the height of the slide that I cannot get over. Like, as you can see, it's kind of a struggle to keep these slides on. They are very baggy on my foot. Like, I don't know. Maybe if I had like a wider, more thicker foot, then they would fit perfectly, but my feet are kind of narrow and they're skinny, so they are definitely dangling off of my foot. So I don't know if I would be able to wear these all day, but I am going to try to put some socks on, like thicker Adidas socks, and see if that makes a difference.
Haven't had a good time in a long time, you know. I'm way up, I feel blessed. Way up, I feel blessed.
Just so you guys can see how big the top of the slide is, I'm sticking my whole hand through the top of the slide, so that should give you a good idea of how roomy these slides are. Thank you guys for joining me in my Adilette 22 unboxing. So as always, I'll see you guys in my next video. So peace out.